Hello, welcome to Sewing with Rice. So when we left off, we had the project set up like this. Hopefully you have remembered to trim off any excess threads to go and make sure that your project looks nice and tidy. It's better to do it now than later. So we're going to go and sew on our two buttons. You'll have a 2-hole button and a 4-hole button. So you're going to get a piece of thread off the spool and just cut it off to length. You're going to figure out where you want your eyes. And then you're going to just pull your needle through with the knot already at the end. Drop your first button on, which I'm doing the 4-hole button, and start having to go through. Now to go and sew on the 4-hole button, we want to go in an X pattern. So what you'll do is you'll go in and out of the holes diagonal from each other. And I apologize for the bad angle on this video, guys. It was the best I could do at the time. So as you can see, I kind of go through and then back down diagonal and come out the back. This step is easiest when your fabric is at this point, so you want to do this. And you're going to want to do this about 10 times. So you have now gone and sewn the button on. Now we have to make our knot. So what you'll do is, on flipping it over, you'll go under the bundle of threads about 3 to 4 times. And one of the last times, and we'll show this again, don't worry, you'll make a small loop, not pulling your thread needle all the way through. And you'll go through the loop about 3-4 times and then pull tight. And once you trim it off, you'll have a very lovely knot on the back. I apologize for the poor quality of the video, but we'll show you again. So now we're going to do the 2-hole button. You can see the first one, again, we have an X. The second one, you're literally just going through the same 2 holes over and over again. So it's a little easier. I usually suggest people start with this one, but I like starting with the 4-hole button. So again, you're going up and then back down into it, up and down. It's like going around in a big old circle. And you want to do this at least 10 times. Okay, I've done it about 10 times, and even before I do the knot, it is very tightly on. So again, I'm going to go under the mess of threads. You can see how that's going there. And one of the last times I do this, I save the loop. I go through the loop 3-4 times and then pull it tight. Once you have this done, you have a knot and you're done sewing on your buttons. Trim and you're ready for the next step, putting on the mouth. Until next time, everybody, happy sewing!